Guys, I'm back, and you see me all the time on this channel talking about a crypto signals group that is absolutely blowing everybody away, guys. I get so many private messages telling me how incredible their life has been since they started this, guys. SignalPeak is fantastic. I'm going to show you why this is the #1 in the world and why you have to hit that link down below and start getting involved. So, guys, with SignalPeak, all right, you can see it here. The reason I've got this up on the right is because I want to show you a comparison, all right? And I'm going to show you that very, very soon. So, first of all, let me show you SignalPeak, right? This is the group, 6,069 subscribers, guys. I was in the top 3,000 to get into this group. I've actually spoke to them, managed to get us a deal. So, if you stay to the end of the video, you're going to save a discount getting into here. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the SignalPeak, go to more, and go to the SignalPeak bot, all right? In this bot, guys, you can get 3 days for free. Now, if you use this for free, you don't have to just believe what I'm saying. You get the actual Signals full package for free, guys. Now, they have got deals on right now for a lifetime. Once you finish your trial, you can get $350 instead of $1,500. Now, with my code, guys, FREEDOM100, FREEDOM 100, you're going to get this for $200. Look how much you're saving. That is absolutely insane. You're saving $1,300. Now, what do you get? You get all of these groups, 10 to 30 trading signals, VIP support, careful risk management, lifetime access of Binance Killers, FRI, Bitcoin Bullets, Always Win Premium, Crypto Man, SignalPeak, Wall Street Queen, Official, Rose Premium, Crypto in a Circle, American Crypto, and Binance Pumps. Now, let's go back to that website, guys, that I wanted to show you. So you can see on here, okay, this is Binance Killers. Now, these signals are forwarded from the best groups in the crypto space. You get them all in one package. If you were to go, so let's just pick one of them out, Binance Killers, the top one. If you were going to go there and purchase that yourself for lifetime, $600. You will pay $200 with my code for lifetime for all of these. So imagine if all of these are around $600, 6, 12, 18. All right, you're going to be paying literally $5,000 plus. You're getting it for $200. Now, let me show you what it looks like when you're inside. You might be thinking, oh, how do I know this works? First of all, there's a free trial. You don't need to just believe me. Second of all, let's go through it. So Binance Killers, that's be a perfect example. All right, this is the group. This is the last one, 170.95% profit. Absolutely wild, all right? But this is how they send them, okay? So they'll send the coin, GLM to USDT, 3 to 5x. They're looking for direction long, okay? So it's going to be long. They'll send you the markup, okay? You see the markup here. You don't need to analyze it yourself, but this is where they're entering, and they're going to fly up. So they tell you where exactly to enter, between 0.36 and 0.385. If you miss that entry, do not get into the trade, okay? Targets, short term. If you want to make quick money, these are your take profits. If you want to make mid money, this is your take profits, okay? Your stop loss, if this gets hit, you better have a stop loss in. Yes, you'll lose. Guys, I'm not saying they don't win every single one, but they win a lot. Like example, right? 170% profit, 122% profit, 13% profit. Guys, you can make your money back day one, all right? And this is the same for all of these groups, guys, going all the way down the left. This is absolutely insane. Look at this, 194% profit. What was the last one they made on here? Let's go right to the bottom, okay? 45% profit, 14% profit. Absolutely wild, guys. You're getting this for an incredible, incredible price. All you have to do is hit that link down below, guys. Use my code FREEDOM100, FREEDOM 100. Let's make money as a community. Well done to everybody that got involved so far. Let's get there.